watch videos of your hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and privileges, etc. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available along with various plans and policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, please read description box. If you are facing any difficult problem this hotel, then please find the link to help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel to get subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video.